So how do I start getting excited about working on my website? So about a year and a half ago, I started my website because I am also a makeup artist, and this is a hobby that I turn into a business, and I do from time to time. So I was very excited to start that project, but now that I have all this time in my hands, I'm not really excited to like feed that website. So how do I get that excitement back?
So you never want to force excitement. So if something's not exciting right now, then it's not the time for you to get your hands in the clay and to work on it and do it for yourself. If your desire is to have a completed website, I would get clear on how that feels and be open to the universe to providing you with the complete website, maybe in some other way. Maybe you can connect with somebody that knows how to do websites and they offer to do one in an exchange, maybe for some makeup work. You have no idea all of the different ways a website could land in your lap. So what I would do is, if building the website isn't exciting, but having a website is, then set your intent of, yeah, I want to have a website and it's going to be the best website ever. And this is what it's going to look like. Inner being, I'm not sure how that's going to happen, but I want you to take it further and I want you to finish the job for me, and then see what happens.
Yeah, I have the website. It's just that I don't like it that much, and I want to feed it. Like I want to put content in it, but I feel like I should just hire someone to do it.
Totally. Totally.
I
Yeah.
yeah.
Set your intent that your inner being adds a cooperative component for the perfect person to show up to help transform the website in the way that you want to have it transformed.